Hello everybody. I am going to show you ideas on what you can do to turn the tags into cards. And I have a full tutorial for 6 cards on my blog post. And the link is in the class online there. So all you need is, there's not enough cardstock to do 6 cards like that, but I'm sure you have your own. So I'm going to show you 6 cards that are made with one set of 6 tags. And all you need extra is you need 2 card bases in shaded spruce, 2 card bases in real red, and 2 in thick whisper white. I also used shimmer ribbon, the gold shimmer ribbon, and I used a little bit of this is the sheer red, real red ribbon. You could use what we included in your kit, which was the satin real red ribbon. And I embellished with the wonderful gems from the holiday catalog. The inks that I used for these tags to cards samples are real red and shaded spruce. There's, like I said, there's a full tutorial with pictures for all 6 cards. So let me just show you. This is the first one. So you just stamp with love for you. All tags are completely stuck onto the card, so they're not removable. I put looped a little bit of the gold what is it, twine or a cord through here, and you zigzag that, layer it, and that's your first one. That's the second one, so you can offset it. Oh yeah, and this is a 2 by 4 1/4 piece of gold foil. I forgot to add that. And if you have that on hand, or you could use the brushed metallic foils that are in the holiday catalog as well, but I'm sure everybody has some gold. And you can put something else in behind, in the background there too. That works. Okay, so that's number 2. Number 3, there's another one, another green one. And so here you see I looped the shimmer, the gold shimmer ribbon, and looped it around. And number 4, there's gold, so this is 1 3/4 by 4 1/4. And as I said, the measurements, everything's on the blog post. That the link is on the website. Okay, so that's the bauble. Now the bird on the white, and there's another 2 by 4 1/4 piece of foil in behind so that's the whisper white. And there's just a little bit of so what I did here, you can just go like that, cut it off, right? Or just cut 2 pieces off and stick them in behind, so it's just stuck in behind there. It's cute. And that's the last one. There is the stocking, and zigzag the gold shimmer again, and load it up with the gems. So these are the cards, again, that are they're on my website, and feel free to check it out and enjoy. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.